It's official, guys. Paradise Restored, the outdoor living guy, has been nominated, and we're a finalist for the Ultimate Outdoor Awards by HGTV. Now that's a very big honor. We're very pleased to receive this honor. It's a nationwide search from HGTV, and they found us, and we are nominated for the Ultimate Outdoor Awards. Now we do need your help. So I don't ask a lot from you, but I'm asking you, please. Thank you, by the way, for being part of our community. If you could please vote for Paradise Restored, we'll have the links below. Just click on it. All of a sudden, you just are taken to HGTV. Do a quick little thumbs up for Paradise Restored. Vote for us, and we would appreciate it so much. All right, guys, thank you so much for everything. We're very pleased with this, and we love that we are a part of this finalist, but we can't wait to give you all the content we can. All right, guys.
Hey guys, remember this video, Huge Property Makeover? The Stalker property, with its rustic style and captivating koi pond, has always had a special place in our hearts. Imagine how excited we were when we received an email from HGTV saying, "Your designs caught our eye, and we would love you to submit your favorite properties for the HGTV Ultimate Outdoor Awards." Are you kidding? We shot back 5 of our best loved 2020 properties, and then received another email saying, "Thank you for entering the 2021 HGTV Ultimate Outdoor Awards and sharing your amazing designs with us. After much deliberation, the team has selected you to be a final nominee in the Outdoor Oasis category. We are a final nominee."
So we appreciate you taking the time. You're always so gracious, so you watch what we're putting out, you comment, and now we appreciate so much that you voted for Paradise Restored. We can't wait to keep giving you lots of content, and we hope that we win this Ultimate HGTV Award. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll talk to you soon.